So yun mga pre, dito tayo ngayon sa People's Park, Tagaytay. Kaya tara i-explore at i-enjoy natin itong lugar na to. Let's go! So yun mga pre, biyahe kami sa Tagaytay ngayon. Already 5 AM. So tara, ingat sa daan. Let's go!
Like steel sheet, beg you from her knee, make you think she means it this time. She tear a hole in you, the one you can't repair.
So yan mga pre, it's already 6 AM at andito na kami sa may... Saan na ba dito? Saan park na to? Binyan. Sa Binyan na kami at napasahan kami ng lugaw. May nagutom. So, kaya mo na kami saglit. Tapos, biyahe na. Let's go. So yun, tapos na kami kumain mga pre. May laman na kami dyan. Dito. Baka sa lugaw dyan mga pre. Dito kami sa may boundary ng Binyan. Yan. So, girap lang. Tapos tara na. Bye-bye natin ang Tagaytay. Let's go. Ang pupunta nga pala namin dun mga pre ay yung People's Park. So sana kahit pa paano medyo konti yung tao. Sana pagi pa, let's go.
I still love her, I don't really care. When we were young, whoa, we did enough. When it got cold, ooh, we bundled up. I can't be told, I can't be done. Come on. It's better to feel pain than nothing at all. The opposite of love's indifference. So pay attention now.
Mga pre, stop over muna kami dito sa isang spot na to. Yan. Nag-picture lang kami. And let's go.
On your porch, screaming out, and I won't leave until you come downstairs. Alright, let me hear it like it's the last call. So keep your head up. Keep your head up. That's it. Keep your head up. Keep your head up. Little louder now. Head up. My love. Keep your head up. Keep your love. And I don't blame you, dude. You're running like you did.
Mga pre, dito kami sa parking space ng People's Park. Kuya, medyo malayo pa ba lalakarin nito? Papunta sa malapit lang. Mga ilang minuto? Mas malapit, 5 minutes. Yun, sige, let's go. Nakapagbayad na kami ng parking fee. Naglalagat kami ngayon dito sa pagi na lugar na to. Yan, sa loob na pala ito ng People's Park. 3 minutes daw lalakarin, pero engine na lang muna namin to. Let's go. Hello guys, andito kami sa Amerika. Oh, grabe yung fog na yan. Tingnan dyan mga pre, walang makita dyan oh. Wala nang makita. Welcome to America. Mula dyan mga pre, ito yung dulo ng pila. At ito yun yung entrance ng People's Park. Ano, tama ba? Yun yung entrance sa papuntang People's Park?
Apo. Yan po.
So yan mga pre, medyo mahaba pa yung pila. Ayan, tara. Ito na naman po tayo sa mahabang pila. Wala bang picture dito? Wala may picture ba dito ng pila? May picture ba ng pila dito? Wala. Okay pa ng ligot. Ayos. Ano makahanap? Wala ngayon. Sayang. Pero as lang yan. Willing to wait. Willing to wait. Let's go. Mas, malapit na rin. Dalawa. Let's go. Nak.
When I was young, I should have known better, and I can't feel no remorse, and you don't feel nothing bad. Got a new girlfriend. He feels like he's on top, and I don't feel no remorse. And you can't see past my blindness. Oh, Ophelia.
So yun mga pre, dito tayo ngayon sa People's Park, Tagaytay. Kaya tara i-explore at i-enjoy natin itong lugar na to. Let's go!
Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out. I was not born to drown. Baby, come on. Forget what Father Brennan said. We were not born in sin. Leave a note on your bed. Let your mother know you're safe. And by the time she wakes,
Let's go mga pre! Tara, hindi natin ito lugar na to. Sarap magkape sa gantong mahamog tsaka malamig na lugar. Paparinig. Tara, let's go mga pre! Yung mga bilihan nila souvenirs. Yan, meron sila mga... Saan bumili ka? Souvenir? Ha? Saan bumili? Ref magnet. Bili ka na. Dadating yan dun sa... Ganito na yan? Ganun pala yun. Ayan mga pre, tapos na tayo mag-ikot dito sa People's Park. Tara magkape sa baba.
I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed.
Let's go!
Sleeping in my bed.
Mga pre, mabilis yung stopover. Ang ganda ng view na yan, oh. Shit!
So
Grabe
show
yan.
family all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song.
Tara, biyahe na ulit kami. Tara, let's go. So yung mga pre, live update. Andito kami ngayon sa Starbucks Siraya para pagbigyan si Madam. So tara, tingnan natin kasi may breathtaking view dito. Let's go! Tagal.
From the second time around.
Ang binayaran namin dito is yung view na yan. Mamaya, lalabas kami para mag-picture.
Are you safe and warm?
Angas ng view na yan mga pre! So dito kami ngayon sa Starbucks. Ano to? Si Raya. Dito kami ngayon sa Starbucks si Raya mga pre. At isa to sa mga binabayaran namin. Yung breathtaking view na yan. Angas niyan. Sheesh! And I think this is the best spot to see that view. Yes, alright. Let's go. Let's go.
Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out.
Mga pre, nakapagkape na kami sa Tagaytay. Tara na umuwi. Let's go.